In this video, we'll learn how to use grep to fetch only numbers from a file or text in Ubuntu. Let's start by understanding what grep does. Grep is a command line tool that searches for patterns in text. We use it with something called regular expressions or regex to match patterns like numbers. Now, let's look at an example. Let's say you have a file named data.txt, and it contains a mix of words and numbers. You want to extract only the numbers from it. To do this, open your terminal. Type the following command: grep O090 plus data.txt. Let's break it down. O tells grep to show only the matched part of the line, not the whole line. 09 matches any single digit from 0 to 9. O plus tells grep to match one or more digits in a row. So 090 plus matches groups of numbers, not just single digits. Make sure to put the pattern in single quotes so the shell does not try to interpret it. After running the command, you will see only the numbers from the file, each shown on a separate line. This works even if the numbers are mixed with letters or punctuation in the same line. That's how you fetch only numbers using grep on Ubuntu. If you want to include decimal numbers or negative values, the pattern gets more complex. But for simple digit groups, this command is all you need. Thanks for watching.